The Coventry City of Culture Trust has formed an exciting new partnership with Unlimited, a national arts commissioning programme that enables new work by disabled artists to reach UK and international audiences. Together, we are inviting deaf, disabled and neurodivergent artists who live and/or regularly work in Coventry and parts of wider Warwickshire to apply for 10 micro-commissions of up to £1,000 each. The micro-commissions are open to artists and creatives of any discipline and of any level to create new work, enhance their skills and explore different creative processes using some key themes as a starting point. We want to challenge past and existing ideas around what is normal and replace them with something better. As the government now gears up for recovery and reset, how can creative thinkers, artists and makers reflect on this time and reimagine a new and better future? How might you use theatre, dance, photography, film, spoken word, digital and other creative forms to show us your vision for a world that works better for everyone and looks to reimagine a new, reformed normal? City of Culture Trust particularly encourages work that links with 5 key themes. Number 1, art as activism. Using art as activism, injecting your voice into art as a way to raise public awareness around something you want to see changed or challenged. Number 2, community collaboration. Working with our diverse communities and grassroots groups across the city to co-create cultural activity. Number 3, environment, nature and green futures. Wild, green and environmental creative projects working across the natural and built landscapes of the city. Number 4, public realm and public spaces. Explore Coventry's built environment. Artists are invited to reimagine the streets of the city with playful interventions, from garden projects to construction projects, from lighting to street art. And number 5, digital. Exploring a playful use of digital technology or media. So, who can apply? Deaf, disabled and neurodivergent artists, creatives, and also disabled-led companies that support disabled-led work. This can be across all art forms and for those who are based or work in a CV postcode. This includes Coventry and parts of wider Warwickshire. We are defining disability based on the social model approach, which, by focusing on the disabling barriers imposed by society, embraces all physical, sensory and invisible impairments, learning disability, mental health, neurodivergent and fatigue conditions. If you identify as such and/or have experienced access barriers, we invite you to apply. Coventry City of Culture Trust are keen to encourage diversity and intersectionality in the arts, and so we actively encourage proposals from artists from underrepresented communities and artists who identify as LGBTQIA and/or BAME. What will you receive? You will receive up to £1,000 per commission. We ask that you try and be realistic about the scale of your project and length of the work. The City of Culture Trust can offer advice and support on this if selected. We can also provide production advice and support if required for your project. This might be through online resources or video calls and chats and emails using text, voice and/or BSL to discuss practical issues, timeframe and access. We can also offer marketing support in promoting the commission and any potential output activity. How to apply. To apply, you will need to answer 5 simple questions. Number 1, your name and some information about the art that you create. You can also give us a web link to a site where we can find out about your work or attach an example. Number 2, what do you want to do? Number 3, why do you want to do it? Number 4, how does your proposal connect with the City of Culture key themes? Number 5, how will you spend the £1,000? Tell us about your budget. You can apply by responding to these questions in a Word document or email of a maximum of 1,000 words. We are also accepting proposals in video or audio format and BSL. Please send us a film or audio file no longer than 3 minutes. You can email your responses to programme@coventry2021.co.uk. If you have any questions on Access, please contact us on access@coventry2021.co.uk or call 024 7710 3550. The deadline for these micro-commissions is Friday, the 21st of August 2020 at midday. You can find out more information about this opportunity via the micro-commissions brief document. Check out more details in the description of this video.